Afternoon guys, my name is Pete Rainford, you're watching Rainford's Brew Lab. Today it's that time, it's our 5th video in our ultra budget series, Spud Wash. I'm going to attempt to make a 6% brew here for the massive price of 15 pence per litre. So for this miracle to happen we need 100 grams of sugar, we need some bread yeast, we need a potato. We need 1 litre of cold water, not hot water, not hot tap water. That is instant death. It's like driving with the light on in your car. Instant death. Cold water. And to brew it we need our customary 1 litre PET bottle with cap. Okay, this is a 5th in our series going down to absolute zero. What I'm going to brew is something for nothing, but this is getting close to 15 pence. The first thing we need to do is get 50 grams of this grated, put it in around 400 to 500 millilitres of our cold water and boil it to release the starches and whatever little bit of taste we're going to get out of this potato into that water. So I need to go in the house to do this. Back in a second. Okay guys, we have a potato sugary mix here. I mixed in the sugar as well while I was boiling this potato because obviously it's a lot easier to mix in with warm water, or in this case boiling water. So what I want to do, what's this, 500 mils. What I want to do is to strain this or sieve it, which I'm going to use a funnel and a muslin cloth for. Funnel and the muslin cloth just in the funnel. Basically I don't want all these potatoey bits in our drink because I've got to drink this at the end of this. In we go. Okay guys, this might take a few minutes to drip through, but that's fine. Okay guys, because this is cooled a bit, I'm going to squeeze it through just to speed things up a bit. We need every last little bit of this juice to give us our alcohol content and our taste and our nutrients, everything. Okay, let's put that to one side. Just wash my hands. Okay guys, at this point it's time to get the rest of our cold water into this brew to cool it down so we can pitch our yeast. Okay, I'll leave it there guys. First off, we're going to shake this up and we're going to take a reading, aren't we Peter? Yes, precious. Okay, so cap firmly on and just give this a shake up. Just mixes everything up and we get some oxygen into the brew. Now ordinarily I would take a temp reading here, but it feels nice and cool. I've let that cool down in the pan for a bit, so I don't have any fears of killing our yeast. Now this is Aldi Alison's bread yeast. I've got some open in this here packet, so I'm going to use that. We need 1/4 teaspoon, roughly 1 gram. So this would probably be a good time to go through the maths here guys. 15 pence, remember that. So 100 grams of sugar at £1.09 per kilo is 11 pence. Potatoes, potato, at 60p a kilo. 50 grams, 3p. And Alison's bread yeast from Aldi for 1 gram is around 1p. I'm not going to add up the water. I'm certainly not going to add up the gas that we use to heat this. If we're going to do that, then we may as well just leave this out in the sun and let the potatoes do their thing naturally in the lovely warm sunshine that we have in Cheshire. 1/4 teaspoon of yeast is equal to roughly a gram. That's all we need. What haven't we done, Peter? We haven't taken a reading. Take a reading. Yes. We're shooting for 6%. I don't mind if we're over or under. Shouldn't be over. Okay, opening gravity 1.034. That should give us between 5 and 6%. So yeah, we're okay. We're on target. Okay, because my hydrometer and graduated flask is sterilised, I can pour this back in. And just take a couple of notes quickly. Opening gravity 1.034. Last but not least, let's pitch our yeast. 1/4 teaspoon of Aldi baker's yeast, Alison's it's called, roughly 1p. Okay guys, that's our yeast in. Nothing left to do now guys, apart from me to get this over in the corner here where I leave my brews. It's actually quite warm in here now. One last thing, leave your top loose. This has to be able to breathe, so just put it on just one full turn. Make sure you can squeeze the air out of it. Or use an airlock, pour it into a fermenter if you've got one. I've got loads, but I do them in these so that you can see how accessible this hobby really is. You can start with a 1 litre plastic bottle. That simple. Okay guys, I will see you in roughly a week. This should ferment fairly quickly. There's not much for it to do. And then we'll come back, test it, maybe have a taste, eh? See you soon. Morning guys. Spud Wash. 15p a litre. I'm going to get a quick reading for this guys. It's been cold crashing. It's pretty much clear, tiny bit of cloudiness there, but that's good enough for us to have a taste. Right, quick reading. Remember this one, it's easy. I've got to be very gentle here because we're still in our original bottle for authenticity. How does this smell? Potato. Okay, our hydrometer reading. Smack on 1.000. So we might have a tiny little bit of sugar left there, but we're good enough for a taste there. A little bit of sweetness would be nice. Come on, get off. Okay guys, so that gives us around 4.5% ABV. So I'm going to round that up. We're going to call that 5%. And that will do quite nicely for our taste test. 5% Spud Wash. What is this going to taste like? Okay, come on. 15p of Spud Wash. Let's go for a pour on this camera. Just quite a clear liquid, guys. Smells like the kildews I've made so far, if I'm brutally honest, but the potato at least should give us some taste, and it should give us a far better body. I'm describing body in a 15p brew. Right. So So let's go through the figures quickly, guys. 17th of the 3rd we made this. Today is the 24th of the 3rd, so it's had a full week. It was fermented in a few days. I've then cold crashed it for a couple of days. That's our finished result. If I cold crash for another day, it would probably completely clear, certainly a couple of days. So our opening gravity was 1.034, our final gravity was 0.098. We added 50 grams of shredded potato or grated potato to this. We boiled it in water, added 100 grams of sugar, and we've ended up with a 5% brew, there and abouts. So there's nothing for it. It smells, like I say, overkill you. Taste, it's a bit early out there, so you may judge. You may judge. Okay. Oh yeah, it's the kill you taste, but a much silkier feel in the mouth and far smoother. Best way of describing it, it's kill you, but a smooth kill you, a silky mouth feel, and that comes from the starch in the potatoes, I believe. That's quite pleasant. 15 pence, guys. 15 pence for a litre of 5% alcohol. That's pretty impressive. So this is number 5 in our series. We're going to number 6 next week or week after, and that will be what I'm going to call a ginger kick. And I think we're going to get that down to around 12 pence a litre. But for this one, 15 pence a litre. A little bit of potato, some sugar, some water, some thyme, and a little bit of bread yeast. 15 pence, guys. Yes, that's right, 15 pence. So, cheers.